Come with me and learn some new vocabulary at the grocery store. Canadian edition. Hi, I'm Maria. I'm a certified Canadian English teacher born and raised in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. I've been helping students from all over the world just like you improve their English, gain more confidence when speaking or writing, and pass their English proficiency tests like their IELTS, CELPIP, or PTE Core. So we're getting started in the produce section. The produce section is where you're going to find fruits and vegetables in the supermarket, and I've got my shopping cart ready in hand. First thing you're going to need is a plastic bag, and you're going to rip it off. Okay, so we're going to start by picking out our apples. I'm going to start by picking out the ones that are on sale. So on sale means the ones that have the cheaper price. Now, interestingly enough, in Canada, you're going to see that the prices show the price by weight in both pound and kilo. So right here it says $3.29 a pound, but they're on sale for $1.99 a pound, and underneath it says $4.39 a kilo. So I'm gonna grab a couple of apples. Make sure that when you're picking your apples that they are not bruised. This one looks good. All right, friends, now we are picking out our bananas. As you can see, we've got a lot of bananas here. The ones that are more yellow are ripe, and the ones that are not ripe, we call them green. So the ones that are like this, we just say they're green. If you want one that's ready to eat, get a ripe banana. I'm gonna buy some bananas and put them in my basket. Let's learn some fruit vocabulary. This big one here is called a grapefruit. This one's really good to put in a nice drink. It is a lime. This is my favorite to go in some salad, a lemon. Orange and mandarin. Okay, so in Canada, berries are very popular. These are called blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries. Welcome to the world of vegetables. You can also say veggies. We're gonna go through some vocabulary so that you can know how to say your veggies when you go to the grocery store. Parsley, cilantro, carrots, Brussels sprouts, green onions, carrots, celery, asparagus, leeks, spinach, kale, romaine lettuce, broccoli, parsnips, beets, green cabbage, red cabbage, orange peppers, yellow peppers, green peppers, red peppers. Welcome to the deli. The deli is where you're gonna find your meats and cheeses. My favorite type of cheese is brie. Can I please get 200 grams of the cooked chicken? Thank you. Now we're at the bakery. The bakery is where we got all of our sweets and desserts. This is where you're gonna find things like croissants, donuts, pie, cookies, scones, and muffins. The bakery is where you're gonna find your freshly baked bread. But if you want to save money, it might be worth it to check out the bread aisle. This is where you're gonna find pre-packaged breads like this. All right, we're now in the frozen food section. This is where you're gonna find your frozen vegetables, frozen fruits, frozen pizza, frozen meals, ice cream, and all sorts of delicious food. We're now in the dairy section. The dairy section is where you're gonna find your milk, yogurt, and eggs. Okay, so if you're new to Canada, you might be wondering what all the vocabulary around eggs means. And whenever I travel, I absolutely love going to different grocery stores. So you're gonna notice on the egg cartons and at the supermarket that they will say cage-free or free range, and actually on the actual carton, the egg carton, it's gonna say free range. So what that means is that the actual hens, the birds, they have been able to roam around either indoors or outdoors. So you'll notice the ones that are free range, the hens were roaming indoors and outdoors. And some of them, if you look down here, the ones that say cage eggs, the behaviors were more restricted. So it's up to you which egg you want to buy, but you can look at the labels and decide which ones you buy. For me, I find this section to be particularly interesting because of all the selection you have. Snacks. So what is a snack? You eat a snack between breakfast and lunch and dinner. So we are in the snack aisle. This supermarket has a healthy snack aisle, and this is the unhealthy snack aisle. So we've got your chips, we've got your chocolate bars, and we're gonna walk down the snack aisle. Okay, so I am a sucker for these. I do like these delicious Canadian ketchup chips. These are also Canadian all-dressed chips. Leave a comment below if you've tried them and if you like them or not. All right, it doesn't get much more Canadian than this. So let's analyze the branding. We've got maple bacon kettle potato chips. We've got the flannel going on. We've got the maple leaf on the maple bacon. So this is the ultimate Canadian packaging for your Canadian potato chips. We are officially at a Canadian supermarket. All right, let's go pay. How's your day today? Good. I'd like to pay by Visa, please. I'd like a bag, please. Thank you. Have a good day. I hope you had fun with me at the supermarket. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. We really appreciate your support. And if you're preparing for an English proficiency test like the IELTS General Training or the CELPIP or the PTE Core, don't forget that those tests are assessing you on your everyday English. So learning vocabulary like vocabulary for the grocery store is really important. So I really hope that this video has helped you. We'll see you in the next one. We're in the frozen food section. It's frozen food section? Frozen?